morning scout didn't quite go to plan, thanks to a flat tyre. But we're back. So I'm going to go over and have a look at this place now that I want to try and get this angle on. But check this out. It's just so cool. Especially seeing all that snow on the mountains. It's just mental. Not going to lie, this is just beautiful. Clouds are really making it kind of cool. The light's just great. 200 meters over there, there's about 70 people all crowding around one rock. Literally just climbed over another rock. Peace and quiet. Let me try and show you where I am and the reason that I'm here. Because there's a damn good reason. Let me show you what I can see. So it's about 6:20 now, and the sun is just going down over the horizon. And theme of the week holds true. Just walk away from the crowds and you find gems. So just over here, behind me, that way, is one of those like viewing boxes you get in a lot of national parks, in like a little fenced area. There's about 80 people in there, all looking up at what I'm looking at now, but from miles away, obstructed by everything. So I just hopped over the fence, onto the rocks, checked with the rangers earlier in the office if I could, and they said yeah. And I've hiked up the mountain, and here I am now on the ridge. Why am I here? Because look what's behind me. These rocks kind of overlook a delicate arch. And I've been up there about 5 times before, but I've never seen it from this angle. And the sun's setting just over there, which means I'm gonna get some epic light, and hopefully just after the sun sets, some really cool colours. So that's what I'm up to. Just kind of waiting it out now. Got all my essentials: book, cup of tea, and a Twix. What do you need? Two things that stand out as being like immediately bizarre sat here. First thing is just how much they remind me of little ants crawling all over a stone. Which is a weird thought, but that is what's immediately coming to my mind right now. The second thing that's weird is how mental it is that even though they're probably a couple of 1,000 meters away from me across this valley, I can hear individual conversations. It is time for us to make our escape. Got the head torch ready, just in case it gets too dark for me on the way down. And here we go. Mad dash for the car, and then about 45 minutes to get to the cabin. Just got to remember the way back. Totally got this. It's like somewhere over there, and then down there. I will say, by the way, that Twix went down a treat. That was an Oreo Twix. Now, I always thought of myself as pretty much a Twix purist, but turns out, no, it was great. Ooh, is it me? Or is it looking better? I might be imagining that, but can't hurt to have a few more snaps, can it? How did I cross these two ridges? And that's the benefit of sunset photography over sunrise photography. You can sit up there, like I just did, for like a good, I don't know, I was up there for a good hour just prepping for that. It's amazing. And it keeps getting better. I'm like, I should be running for the car, but I'm just gonna take some more shots from here with some foreground stuff, because this is epic. Check this out. This is definitely the way I came up. I'm not the only photographer to have ever been here. Alright, we've resorted to this. However, we're not far. Not far at all.